Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 in Kuta area, the famous road in Bali. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore the most famous road in Bali on Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. So we will see together how the situation right there at the moment. And now we are in Poppies Lane 1. Actually, our government say if you want to come to Bali, the quarantine from 5 days now to be 3 nights. So we will see together how will be happening in the next few days. But I think with quarantine, the tourists will not come into Bali. That's very hard because cost so expensive also. So that's why a lot of people doesn't want to come to Bali this time. You see left side, there is the hotel. Look very quiet. Actually, I already explored this area a month ago. So we will compare how it's different. But it still look the same. Look very quiet. All the shop is closed. It's very bad, isn't it? You see right side and left side, that is all the shop is closed. But if you see the weather today, it's very cloudy. I mean like not raining but cloudy. You see, so far there is no one shop is open. All the closed shop. Okay guys, I just want to say thank you very much for your support my channel. And if you just find the channel, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people want to know the update situation in Bali around this time. And as we know together, in this area before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk because it's a small street, but there is a lot of hotel and shop in this area. And also Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 is very famous street because the street in between Legian Street and Kuta Beach. So that's why in this area is very strategic to stay. And if you see on the right side, left side, that is all the shop is closed. It's very sad, isn't it? And there is just no one around here. Just very quiet. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1. So we turn left because we will explore Poppies Lane 2. Now you see the front right side, there is a local shop. This looks so empty, isn't it? Actually, right side and left side, there is the hotels. Shop right side, hotel left side, but it's just quiet. Actually, on this video, I make video around 8 minutes, start from Poppies Lane 1 until Poppies Lane 2. Because I just want to show you how the real situation in Bali around this time. I mean like, I don't make any editing on video. You see at the front, there is the hotels. Yeah, but look, no people there. No one car parking there, just very quiet. Oh, so where do you think this area? It's like a ghost town, isn't it? Just no people. And all the shop is closed. It's very bad, isn't it? You see left side, there is the shop, but all closed. And actually some restaurant there. If I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Surga Street. But I keep passing because I will explore Poppies Lane 2. It's local people there, walk around on the sidewalk. It's just so quiet, isn't it? There's only local people who stay here. They walk around on the sidewalk. But no one tourists around here. Okay, now if I turn right, there is the way to go to Legian Street, around 200 meters. The ground zero right there, but I turn left to explore Poppies Lane 2. So now we are in Poppies Lane 2. It's like traffic jam, that's good. Or the taxi there. You see, the street here is very small. Just only one car and bike. So that's why actually the street is only one way for the cars. Yeah, right side, left side, there is the shop. And right side there is Korea restaurant, the famous restaurant in this area, but they close. There is restaurant right side. You see? Yeah, some people there. It's very famous restaurant in this area too. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Banasari Street. Oh, there is some shop open right side. But it looks very quiet around this area. Another shop are open right side. Yeah, that's good. Okay guys, we continue driving in Poppies Lane 2. This is the most famous street in Bali. Usually in this area, very lots of people walk around on the sidewalk before the pandemic corona. You see at the front, there is some activity because there is like the backside from the beach walk shopping mall. And there is also the gate to go enter to beach walk shopping mall. Okay guys, now we are nearby Kuta Beach. It's around 5 minutes by walk to go to Kuta Beach. You see left side, that is all the shop still closed. And in this area also very quiet. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 2. Still very quiet, isn't it? Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.